The Maruti Suzuki 800 was more than just a car in India, it was a revolution. Launched in 1982, it became the country's most loved car. Everyone knew someone who owned one. The 800 was small, fuel-efficient, and affordable. It was perfect for Indian roads and families. The car was everywhere. It was a common sight on bustling city streets and quiet village roads. The 800 was a symbol of progress and aspiration. Owning one meant you had made it. It was a proud moment for many families. Today the 800 is a classic. It evokes memories of a simpler time. Many enthusiasts are now restoring these iconic cars. They want to relive the magic of the Maruti 800. Restoring a Maruti 800 starts with a thorough inspection. You need to know what you're dealing with. This means checking everything. Start with the body. Look for rust, dents, and damage. Check the paint condition. Then move to the interior. Inspect the seats, dashboard, and carpets. Next, examine the engine. Look for leaks, corrosion, and wear. Check the transmission, brakes, and suspension. It's important to assess the electrical system too. Document everything. Take pictures and notes. This helps you plan the restoration and estimate costs. A thorough assessment is crucial. It ensures you're prepared for the journey ahead. Finding parts for an old Maruti 800 can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Many enthusiasts and specialists can help. Start by searching online. There are dedicated forums and websites for Maruti 800 parts. You can find both new and used parts. Local mechanics and scrapyards are also good sources. They often have a stock of used parts. Don't be afraid to haggle for the best price. Sometimes you might need to get creative. You can adapt parts from other Maruti models, or you can have parts custom-made if necessary. Sourcing parts is like a treasure hunt. It takes time and effort, but finding that perfect part is always rewarding. The mechanical restoration is the heart of the project. It's about bringing the 800 back to life. Start with the engine. A complete overhaul is often necessary. This includes cleaning, inspecting, and replacing worn-out parts. The transmission and gearbox also need attention. Next, move to the brakes, suspension, and steering. These are crucial for safety and handling. Replace any worn-out components. Don't forget the exhaust system. A new exhaust can improve performance and sound. The mechanical restoration can be complex. It's best to leave it to experienced mechanics. Section 5. The Art of Detail. Perfecting the 800's look. Once the mechanical work is done, it's time for the finishing touches. This is where the 800 starts to shine. Bodywork is crucial. Repair any dents or rust. Then, apply a fresh coat of paint. Choose a classic color or go for a modern look. The interior needs attention too. Replace worn-out seats, carpets, and dashboard components. You can restore original parts or opt for new ones. Don't forget the small details. New chrome trim, badges, and wheel covers can make a big difference. These finishing touches bring back the 800's charm. Section 6. Roadblocks and workarounds. Challenges in restoration. Restoring a Maruti 800 is not without its challenges. Parts availability can be a major hurdle. Finding original parts can be difficult and expensive. Sometimes you might have to compromise. You can use compatible parts from other models. Another challenge is finding experienced mechanics. Not everyone knows how to work on older cars. Look for specialists who are passionate about classic cars. Budget overruns are also common. Restorations always cost more than you expect. It's important to have a realistic budget and be prepared for surprises. Section 7. A labor of love, the joy of bringing back an icon. Despite the challenges, restoring a Maruti 800 is incredibly rewarding. It's a labor of love. Seeing the car come back to life is a special feeling. It's like turning back time. You're not just restoring a car, you're restoring memories. Driving a restored 800 is a unique experience. It turns heads wherever you go. People appreciate the effort and passion you've put in. Restoring a Maruti 800 is a journey. It's about preserving a piece of Indian automotive history. It's a testament to the love for this iconic car. Section 8. Conclusion: the Maruti 800, a timeless classic. The Maruti Suzuki 800 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of nostalgia, simplicity, and affordability. It holds a special place in the hearts of millions of Indians. Restoring one is a tribute to this iconic car. It's about keeping the memories alive. It's about appreciating the engineering and design of a bygone era. The 800 reminds us that sometimes less is more. It's a testament to the fact that great things come in small packages. It's a timeless classic that will always hold a special place in automotive history. Section 9 Disclaimer. This essay is intended for informational purposes only. It is not a comprehensive guide to restoring a Maruti Suzuki 800. Always consult with experienced professionals for any restoration project.